Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will provide step-by-step instruction on how to add Leonardo AI to your Discord server. Whether you are an artist or a tech enthusiast, Leonardo AI is a fantastic AI powered tool for creating art and designs directly within Discord. So let's get started. Step 1. Install and log in to Discord. First, make sure you have the Discord app installed and log in your device. If you don't install Discord yet, check the link in the description box below to learn how to install and log into Discord. Step 2. Visit the Leonardo AI website. Go to the Leonardo AI official website. Once you are at the website, click on Launch App. Sign up for Leonardo AI. You can sign up quickly using your Google account. Once your account is created, scroll down to the menu bar under the Terms. You will find a Discord app logo. Step 3. Connect Leonardo AI to Discord. Click on the Discord logo. A Leonardo AI pop-up will appear. Click on Accept Invite. Next, a Discord pop-up will open. Click on Continue to Discord. Leonardo AI will now successfully connected to your Discord server. And that's how you can add and use Leonardo AI in your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.